for me as a kid, Kapil uncle or Sunil uncle, they used to call, always come home over for dinner. We used to go there. So it was like, for me, they were like, my dad's friends. But when we started shooting this film is when I, realized that what Kapil Dev is, what Sunil Gavaskar is, or for that matter, what Sandeep Patil was.
Thank you so much for taking time out to speak to me, Chirag. You're, of course, Sandeep Patil's son, a member of India's 1983 World Cup winning team. And you, of course, had the honor of playing your father in the movie 83. I'm just going to start by asking you, how amazing was that?
Fantastic. First of all, being a part of that event itself is a big thing. And to play my father is even a bigger blessing in disguise, I would say. So, very proud, extremely humbled and thankful.
I have to ask you about the 175. You're one of the elite few who sort of, know of the story firsthand, because as we know, that match was not broadcast. So of everything that you heard of from your father about it, of everything you heard of from your father's friends about it, how amazing was it to finally see it, almost in a way, be on film now so that the rest of us can see it?
Oh, I mean, I that is something, that is one inning that you guys, I mean, I must say that it's fantastic. I mean, it's a spectacle. I mean, the whole film, and that is one, I would say it's a film in a film. That Kapil's one inning. It is just fantastic. And fortunately, what happened, I mean, unfortunately for those guys, but fortunately for us, what happened is, because it was not broadcasted, we didn't have any limitations on what shots he can play, or, he just went all out. And it was tremendous to see that, and mind blowing. I mean, amazing.
How did the role come about? Did you hear the movie was being made and you sort of asked to be auditioned, or did someone approach you and ask you, since you're an actor, why don't you play your father in the movie?
So when this movie was announced, personally, I thought that I would never get this part because I can't play cricket. I think my dad has told you that. So I genuinely thought that, this is, something that I'm not going to be able to do. And even when Kabir sir called me for the audition, I thought that, I would, he would give me some script and, I would do it, give the audition. But instead, they made me play cricket. And the first ball I got out. So when I came home, my father asked me that, how did it go? And I said, I think I'm not going to get it. But Kabir sir called me after 2 months. And when I went to his office, he had edited my father's scenes, my father's shots of him playing cricket, and that audition shots. So when we saw them side by side, we realized that the style and the stance and everything is the same. So Kabir sir said that this is all I need. I don't need you to actually play cricket. As long as you're resembling him and you're being able to play the shots and the shots are looking the same, that's good enough. So that's how, I got this film.
Because you say you didn't pursue much cricket in your career, did it also help you understand all the struggles your father went through? Just learning to be a father, you understood what your father went through?
Of course. I mean, it was, see, these guys played cricket and won the World Cup in the circumstances that we can't even imagine today. Because when you see today's players, the kind of facilities they have, the kind of infrastructure BCCI has provided them. So, I mean, when I was shooting for it, when I was, coming to know of things, what they did, how they went about the World Cup, was just amazing. I mean, I had a different level of respect for these guys because, for me as a kid, Kapil uncle or Sunil uncle, they used to call, always come home over for dinner. We used to go there. So it was like, for me, they were like, my dad's friends. But when we started shooting this film is when I, realized that what Kapil Dev is, what Sunil Gavaskar is, or for that matter, what Sandeep Patil was. So it was amazing. I mean, fantastic.
You mentioned Ranveer. That was going to be my next question. We are just amazed at, the transformation that we've seen in the trailer. He's got the accent right. He speaks like Kapil. He's got hair like Kapil Dev. Just for you, like you said, for you, Kapil Dev was uncle. But also to see Ranveer metamorph into Kapil Dev, how amazing was that transformation for you to witness firsthand?
Superb. I mean, I'll tell you one thing that I don't know if that's that thing is there in the film, but when he was prepping for his role, he had gone and stayed with Kapil uncle for a month, I think, in his house. And when he came back, he mastered this dance that Kapil uncle does, which only we know because we've seen him dancing in parties. And I would say, and when I saw Ranveer doing it, I was like, I went and told him, I was like, Ranveer, this is something that you have picked up. Is nobody can do this. I mean, how you've managed to pick that up is just phenomenal. So not only that, so I'm saying that these small nuances that he has picked up is just phenomenal, and it's so much to learn from him. So much to learn from him. Every day there's something new that he unknowingly taught me.
Finally, one last question: the West Indies bowlers. Legends, we hear so much about them, but in the movie also we feel a little bit about them. Did you all actually get to interact with them? Obviously, they weren't the bowlers, the actors who were playing. What was the camaraderie like between, the Indian team in the movie and the rest of the teams who were actually there shooting?
Fantastic. In fact, we were all together only, so we had a lot of fun. Whenever we had off days, we used to party together and hang out together. And these West Indies players, they were, the actors I'm saying, they had this thing that whenever they were fielding, they used to do these entire day. Whenever they got time, they used to start doing push-ups. So in between them, they had this competition that someone was doing 1,000 push-ups a day, someone was doing 2,000 push-ups a day. So one day they said that, why don't they challenged us? So, some of our players tried to, challenge them, but it was impossible. And in fact, Malcolm Marshall's son is there in the film. Mali Marshall. He's playing his father in the film. So we have a couple of players. I think Lloyd's son is also playing, or I'm not sure. I'm not sure Lloyd, but somebody else's son is also playing his father, and of course I'm playing my father. So that was also at the end of the shoot, me, these two guys, and Amia, who is Kapil Uncle's daughter. So we all clicked a picture, which we will hopefully post soon. Like the kids of these players together working on this film. It was so amazing.
Thank you, Chirag. Thank you so much for taking time out for us. Lots of luck for the movie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.